Hey everyone, if Discord is running slow, lagging, or freezing in 2026, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to optimize Discord performance for smooth usage. First, close unnecessary background apps. Programs like browsers, games, or editors can consume system resources and slow Discord down. Next, disable hardware acceleration in Discord settings. This can often fix lag, freezing, and UI stuttering issues. Now turn off unnecessary animations and enable reduced motion. This makes Discord feel much faster, especially on low-end devices. After that, clear Discord cache. Old cached files can build up and reduce performance over time. Next, lower voice and video quality settings. Reducing bitrate and resolution can improve overall app stability. Now make sure Discord is always updated. New updates fix bugs and improve speed and performance. Finally, disable extra visual features like GIF autoplay, stickers, and heavy animations. This helps make Discord much smoother. So yeah, that's how you optimize Discord performance in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your Discord should run faster and smoother again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Discord tutorials for fast and easy fixes. Hey everyone.